Welcome back to Science of Mind, your guide to unlocking your full potential. Today, we're focusing on a simple yet incredibly powerful tool, the power of mindful breathing, techniques to reduce stress instantly. Remember to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more insights on personal growth. In our fast-paced, often overwhelming lives, stress can feel like a constant companion. Our bodies are designed to respond to stress with a surge of hormones, increased heart rate, and heightened alertness, the fight or flight response. While this response is helpful in acute situations, chronic stress can have detrimental effects on our physical and mental health. Fortunately, we have a readily available and incredibly effective tool for counteracting the stress response, our breath. Mindful breathing techniques can help us to calm our nervous system, reduce anxiety, improve focus, and promote overall well-being, often instantly. The beauty of mindful breathing is that it's accessible to everyone, can be practiced anywhere, and requires no special equipment. This isn't just about taking a deep breath. It's about intentionally paying attention to the breath, noticing the sensations of each inhale and exhale, and using the breath as an anchor to the present moment. It's about shifting from shallow, stressed breathing to deep, calming, and regulated breathing. So, how can we harness the power of mindful breathing to reduce stress instantly? Let's explore some practical techniques. Step 1. Understanding the connection between breath and stress. The physiology of calm. To appreciate the power of mindful breathing, it's helpful to understand the physiological connection between our breath and our stress response. The autonomic nervous system. The autonomic nervous system controls involuntary bodily functions like heart rate, digestion, and breathing. It has two main branches: the sympathetic nervous system, SNS, the fight or flight response, activates during stress, increasing heart rate, breathing rate, and blood pressure. The parasympathetic nervous system, PNS, the rest and digest response, promotes relaxation, slows heart rate, and lowers blood pressure. Deep breathing in the PNS. Deep diaphragmatic breathing activates the PNS, helping to counteract the effects of the SNS. It signals to your brain that you're safe and calm, promoting relaxation and reducing stress. Shallow breathing in the SNS. Conversely, 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 shallow. Rapid breathing, often associated with anxiety, can activate the SNS, perpetuating the stress response. Practical tips. Observe your breathing patterns. Pay attention to how you breathe when you're feeling stressed. Is your breathing shallow, rapid, or irregular? Learn about the autonomic nervous system. Understanding how the SNS and PNS work can help you appreciate the importance of mindful breathing. Step 2. Diaphragmatic breathing, belly breathing. Activating the relaxation response. Diaphragmatic breathing, also known as belly breathing, is a technique that involves using your diaphragm, the large muscle at the base of your lungs, to draw air deep into your lungs. This type of breathing is more efficient and promotes relaxation. Instructions. Find a comfortable place to sit or lie down. Place one hand on your chest and the other hand on your abdomen. Inhale slowly and deeply through your nose, allowing your abdomen to rise as you fill your lungs with air. Your chest should remain relatively still. Exhale slowly through your mouth, allowing your abdomen to fall as you release the air from your lungs. Continue breathing in this way for several minutes, focusing on the rise and fall of your abdomen. Practical tips. Practice regularly. Aim to practice diaphragmatic breathing for 510 minutes each day. Use visualizations. Imagine that you're filling a balloon in your abdomen with air as you inhale, and then deflating the balloon as you exhale. Check your posture. Make sure you're sitting or lying in a position that allows for optimal breathing. Step 3. Box breathing, square breathing. Balancing and calming box breathing, also known as square breathing, is a technique that involves inhaling, holding your breath, exhaling, and holding your breath again, each for the same amount of time. This technique can help to balance your nervous system and promote a sense of calm. Instructions. Find a comfortable place to sit or lie down. Exhale completely, emptying your lungs of air. Inhale slowly and deeply through your nose for a count of 4. Hold your breath for a count of 4. Hold your breath for a count of 4. Exhale slowly through your mouth for a count of 4. Hold your breath for a count of 4. Repeat steps 36 for several minutes. Practical tips. Adjust the count. You can adjust the count to suit your comfort level. Start with a count of 4 and gradually increase it as you become more comfortable. Visualize a box. Imagine that you're tracing the outline of a box as you breathe. Step 4. 47-8 breathing. Promoting sleep and relaxation. The 47-8 breathing technique is a powerful tool for promoting sleep and relaxation. It involves inhaling for a count of 4, holding your breath for a count of 7, and exhaling for a count of 8. Instructions. Find a comfortable place to sit or lie down. Place the tip of your tongue against the ridge of tissue just behind your upper front teeth, and keep it there throughout the exercise. Exhale completely through your mouth, making a whooshing sound. Close your mouth and inhale quietly through your nose for a count of 4. Hold your breath for a count of 7. Exhale completely through your mouth, making a whooshing sound for a count of 8. Repeat steps 46 at least 4 times. Practical tips. Practical tips. Practice before bed. This technique is particularly effective for promoting sleep. Focus on the exhale. The long exhale is key to activating the parasympathetic nervous system. Step 5. Alternate nostril breathing. Balancing energy and calming the mind. Alternate nostril breathing, also known as Nadi Shodhana, is a yogic breathing technique. This technique is believed to balance the energy in the body and calm the mind. Find a comfortable place to sit with your spine straight. Close your right nostril with your right thumb. Inhale slowly and deeply through your left nostril. Close your left nostril with your right ring finger and release your thumb from your right nostril. Exhale slowly through your right nostril. Exhale slowly through your right nostril. Close your right nostril with your right thumb and release your ring finger from your left nostril. Close your right nostril with your right thumb and release your ring finger from your left nostril. Exhale slowly through your left nostril. Repeat steps 38 for several minutes. Use a gentle touch. Avoid pressing too hard on your nostrils. Breathe slowly and deeply throughout the exercise. Step 6. Inhale deeply throughout the exercise. Step 6. Integrating mindful breathing into your daily life, making it a habit. The key to reaping the benefits of mindful breathing is to make it a regular practice. Find ways to integrate mindful breathing into your daily life even when you're not feeling stressed. Set reminders on your phone or computer to remind you to practice mindful breathing throughout the day. Practice during transitions. Use mindful breathing during transitions, such as when you wake up, before you go to sleep, or between tasks. Practice in stressful situations. Use mindful breathing in stressful situations to calm your nervous system and regain control. Now let's address some common challenges with mindful breathing. Mind wandering. It's normal for your mind to wander during mindful breathing. Just gently redirect your attention back to your breath each time it happens. Discomfort. If you experience any discomfort, adjust your posture or try a different technique. Lack of time. Even a few minutes of mindful breathing can be beneficial. Find ways to incorporate short breathing exercises into your daily routine. Mindful breathing is a powerful tool for reducing stress instantly and promoting overall well-being. By understanding the connection between breath and stress, practicing various breathing techniques, and integrating mindful breathing into your daily life, you can harness the power of your breath to calm your nervous system, improve focus, and live a more peaceful and fulfilling life. So, start today. Choose 1 or 2 techniques from this video and commit to practicing them regularly. Your breath is always with you. Use it to your advantage. That's it for today's episode of Science of Mind. We hope you found this helpful. What's your favorite mindful breathing technique? Share it in the comments below. And as always, remember to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tips and strategies on personal growth. Keep believing in yourself, keep practicing mindful breathing, and we'll see you in the next video.